Hello and welcome to yet another video by Intellipaat. Today we'll be discussing about a few mistakes to avoid during salary negotiations. But before we move on to the video, please make sure that you're subscribing to our YouTube channel and hitting that bell icon. Negotiating your salary is something that does not get affected by the fact that you're a fresher or an experienced individual. And honestly speaking, it is an art that is beneficial to everyone who's willing to learn. Money is perhaps one of the most difficult topics to discuss. And when it comes to your compensation, things might get much more complicated. Many people would rather avoid the entire conversation instead of trying to get a negotiation or a better compensation. This is clearly stated by statistics. According to Glassdoor, 59% of the employees accept their current compensation without ever negotiating. Perhaps the most alarming fact is that only 1 out of every 10 employees was successful negotiating their salary. In this video, I will be talking about some of the mistakes to avoid during salary negotiations. The first mistake that I'm going to mention might seem quite obvious, but it is made by many. That is, not negotiating the offered salary at all. It is the biggest mistake one can make. This could be your dream job that I'm talking about, but there is always something to negotiate to make sure that the offer is even better. Negotiation comes with mainly 2 components. First, knowing your worth. You are the only one who is aware of the skill set that you possess and how you can add to a company's profit. Assess yourself and know the minimum limit that is acceptable. The second step is to remain calm and ask the employer for some time to go over the contract. The next mistake most people make is focusing solely on their side of the argument. The best way to negotiate is to try and stand in the other person's shoes. If the employer is offering a specific figure, he or she might have his or her reasons. What one should try to do is make such negotiations a win-win situation, finding a middle ground, which makes both parties satisfied is negotiation 101. Making decisions hastily is what we'll talk about next. Be it accepting or rejecting an offer, one should always take a day or 2 before making a decision, as a hasty decision has a potential to harm your future earning potential, career advancement, and motivation in general. Not taking value but needs. An employer is not bound to pay you a certain amount just because you need it. He or she will want to know how you can add to their company. You can show them how you will increase the company's value with proofs and facts by taking into account your previous experiences. Now for the last mistake, not considering non-salary benefits. So, while negotiating, never simply stick to your salary. Consider benefits like timely bonuses, health cares, paid leaves, etc. These perks helps you in reaching a middle ground and hence satisfying both the employer and the employee. Thank you for watching this video. Please do make sure that you're subscribing to our YouTube channel for more updates. And if you guys have any more queries related to this topic, please mention them below in the comment box.